How to make Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to settings and then scroll all the way down until you find here battery. Enable performance mode if you found it here, or you can just make sure that power saving mode is disabled. After that, go back. Now just make sure your Spotify is updated, and then go to Spotify, just open it and don't close it, just make it like that. Go back, and now just go back and wait for it and make sure it's running in your background. Don't close it, and that's it. Just wait like 10 minutes, and that's it. After that, close it and turn off your Wi-Fi, open Spotify and turn it on again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.